ugly. Blue-green. Did we want blue-green? We didn't. Come over here, big girl. Come over here, big girl. We'll put a little wash on here, but come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
That little shit will find any place to hide. Wherever that camera is, she's gonna find some place to sit down and hide.
Yeah. She must know.
No hiding.
Maybe she's Amish and doesn't like her picture being taken.
It's probably it. Come here, sweetheart. Yes, come here, come here, come here. Oh my goodness. What a stinker you are. You love total and complete attention, don't you? Oh, you're just all fluffed out. I know what you're up to. You're getting sleepy already. Don't take you long, does it? You are so beautiful. Yes, you are. You're just so beautiful. Yes, you are, pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Yes, you are, pretty baby. Pretty baby girl. We call this little girl hoo-hoo because she sits and does that hoo-hoo that little mourning doves do.
Some say hoo-hoo, some say woo-woo.
Yeah, she goes out, she comes out here and she's got a little friend. And that little friend sings to her all the time. Ooh, ooh. See? Ooh. Who's doing that? Oh my goodness. Who's doing that? Yeah, who's doing that? Do you know? Who's doing that? Is that your buddy Ramey? Yeah, I bet it is. I bet it is, isn't it? That is Ramey, right? The investigator. She's got footprints all over your picture, Ray.
It's alright. That just makes it that much more personalized.
Yes, it does. You can't see them, but if she gets into the wet paint, you will see them. Tell you that. Oh, we have something else here. Quick. You gotta run and see what it is. Come on. She has to investigate everything. Everything, don't you? Yeah, I'm an investigator. Yes. Right? Yeah. And you're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Now, did we say hello to everybody yet? Did we? We didn't miss anybody at home? We got Jenny, Cindy, Paul, and little Paula, and Chad, and Jenny. Let's see, how about Nathan? And his little girl, Jocelyn, and Cassie. Okay. Now don't eat up your picture. That's gonna be for Ramey. Oh, you just have to do it, don't you? You have to get into that brush. So we have Jenny and Cindy and Cameron and Pammy and Tyler and Paul. They are in Vegas having a vacation.
Who is?
Judy is out there with them, Paul and Pam.
Mm.
And Judy's out there taking care of Tyler and Big Joe, the dog, and my little Rick, Timolius. And my little Timolius. And you haven't said hello to Duggars. There's a Duggars do. And a Judy. And a Paul. They would love to see you too, and I know that they are seeing you now. Because you're such a cutie. And they're saying hi. Hi, boo-boo. Hi, boo-boo. Pretty baby. You're so smart, aren't you? She knows that's a little doo-doo laying there, and she just walked right on by it. I thought she was going to get it, but she didn't. Because she's a smart baby girl. Yes. She's a smart baby girl.
I knew I wasn't going to be able to be out here for long without her coming over here.
She knows you're back there. Believe me, she does. She knows. She knows. She's a cutie. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty little girl. Come on over here. What are you doing? Cleaning again? Oh my goodness, you clean all the time. Don't you? Huh? Do you clean all the time? I do declare. You're the cleanest little girl in town. Aren't you? We know you're the cleanest girl in town. Yes, we do. Pretty baby. She keeps so clean. She's got beautiful white tail feathers on both sides. One feather on each side of the back end of her tail. And when she spreads it out to fly, she really is pretty.
She's getting ready to take a nap.
I know. She does anything, it don't take her long. She gets tired. Did I tell you when I opened her cage this morning, she was over in the corner on that fleece I bought for her? It's all nestled down, and she lifted up one leg and one arm, one wing, and she looked at me, and down come that little foot and that wing, and she just nestled, kind of scurried like, not scurried, but wiggled right back into that fleece.
Yeah, she's funny.
And I thought, she has learned that fleece is keeps her body heat, and she likes that.
Sure.
She likes that because it gets cool in my room. In fact, when I take that sheet off, I don't run that fan in there at all, so I'm afraid it's too cold for her.
Come on. Come on. There you go.
Oh, you are such a sweetie. You are getting sleepy, aren't you? Huh? Are you getting sleepy? I'm not taking anything away. No. You think so, though, don't you? We move anything, that thinks you think, boy, oh boy, she's moving something. You want to taste? It's what? You don't want to taste? Okay. But you can have one if you want. You don't want.